Welcome to the topic, Amazing Applications of Artificial Intelligence. Hi, this is Harold Albright. Before we get started, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and click that bell icon so every time I bring out a new video, you'll be notified. AI technology and AI applications have bridged the gap between humans and robots, expanding its boundaries in every field. Application development using game-changing AI is taking the web by storm. Mobile apps have established the industry's foundation, with smartphone apps and the availability of app developers paving the way for artificial intelligence applications of all kinds. While AI is a trending topic in the smartphone industry, users of mobile phones have long been familiar with the terms "OK Google," Siri. These virtual helping programs have been simplifying users' life for years, from reading emails to online shopping to making phone calls. But AI's use isn't restricted to these voice command apps. It's gone way beyond our wildest dreams. Today, we'll provide you a selection of Android apps that use artificial intelligence to assist users in improving their knowledge in all kinds of areas. One of the most incredible Android artificial intelligence apps is Hound. It assists users with voice commands, replies to verbal command "OK Hound" in the same way as Google Voice Search does. You can use your normal speaking voice to search for information and then refine the results. Hound can be operated without using your hands. This makes maneuvering a whole lot easier. As a voice assistance tool, Hound combines speech recognition and language interpretation into one operation. Hound takes care of everything for you, including weather predictions, finding nearby eateries, booking cabs, performing equations. It can provide you with precise results in a short time. Hound is also used by some impressive companies, including Mercedes-Benz, Honda, Motorola, and Hyundai. Next application we'll talk about is ELSA, English Language Speech Assistant, which is a popular Android app that makes learning things enjoyable. This language study program helps users learn English and improve their pronunciation, enabling them to communicate fluently in the modern language. Because of AI's capacity to deliver immediate feedback, they can expect to achieve fast progress. This app keeps track of the user's development and delivers detailed reports on their progress. Whether you need help with the full lesson plan or just spelling and pronunciation of a few words, ELSA can strengthen and condition coach you for free. It comes with a trial of 7 days, after which the user has the option to purchase ELSA Pro. Robin is a virtual assistant which becomes more useful and enjoyable as it's yet another Android app that works clearly and accurately even though you're driving a car. The app will provide you with local traffic information, as directions to petrol stations and parking lots near you or your destination, weather forecasts, and more. Robin even evolves as you use it, so it can respond to your commands more precisely over time. It outperforms other apps because of its user-friendly UI and rapid voice command response. This voice assistant application can send text messages, make phone calls, create reminders, navigate using GPS, and so much more. If you're looking for a progressive app to facilitate your life, then Robin will be just as useful to you as he is to Batman. Google Assistant is the best choice for you if you're seeking an AI app for Android that can assist you with your hands-free mode. It includes integrated features that may let you execute jobs according to your requirements anytime and anywhere, from simple to advanced. This virtual voice assistant software also includes an embedded smart home app, which features Philips Hue lights. The assistant can be found on Android phones and refrigerators, vehicles, and headsets. It uses natural language processing, NLP, to support text and voice entry, to provide functions such as voice-activated control, voice search, voice commands, retrieving information online, assisting with tasks, real-time translation, scheduling appointments, and sending reminders. Socratic. Google recently announced that it had bought Socratic, an AI-powered app that assists students with arithmetic and other homework tasks. Students can ask their smartphone camera to capture photographs, and Socratic will then use its AI powers to provide visual explanations for the thoughts and ideas they need to learn. It merges knowledge and tech to form a truly extraordinary learning portal. Socratic is a text and voice recognition program designed to help students learn science, arithmetic, literature, and social studies, among other subjects. Socratic pretty much plays the role of a super smart, all-time tutor. Google Play statistics reveal that the app has received over 5 million downloads. This application is compatible with the iPad and is available for Android and iOS. Databot. This software has the ability to speak back to you and answer your questions about the issues that are important to you. Databot features built-in services that help you with images, information, and multimedia presentations based on your chosen topic. It gathers information from Google searches, Wikipedia, RSS feeds, and other sources. So to simply say that it has an impressive collection of info is an understatement. Databot can be customized to your preferred language, voice, and other personal preferences. It can communicate in English, Italian, Spanish, French, German, and Portuguese. You can share information too by SMS, email, and social media using Databot. It's compatible with Windows 10, Android, and iOS devices. Xbox One, iPad, iPod, Android tablets, and Windows phones are all supported. Next is File, F-Y-L-E. File is a desktop, Android, and iOS expense management application powered by AI. File has recently launched direct connections with Google G Suite and Microsoft Office 365, making it a prominent competitor in the intelligent expense managing field. The software has many useful functions like real-time data extraction, expense reporting, analytics, and many more. Users may now record expenses from email receipts with a single click, thanks to the company's new Google Chrome extension and G Suite add-ons. File is already well liked, and these recent improvements have given it a significant boost. It's well known for travel management, HRMS accounting, and ERP applications. All these perks put together make File a true management genie. Now we come to Alexa. Alexa uses voice queries, natural language processing, and other technologies to provide various services, including voice interaction, music playback, and more. Alexa can make to-do lists, set alarms, stream podcasts, and read audiobooks. It can also deliver real-time weather, traffic, news, and sports information, and it only takes a few basic steps to get started. This service was first used with Amazon's Echo and Echo Dot smart speakers, but is now available on various platforms, including Android and iOS. Many devices using Alexa, such as the Amazon Echo, use a waking word to activate Alexa. However, other devices, such as Android or iOS, need users to press a button. Alexa can be used on both Windows and Mac computers and makes for the perfect life coach. Replica. Considered one of the best AI friends, Replica knows how to communicate with its users in a human-like manner. It was created for Apple phones at first, but it is now available for Android as well. The software has the ability to learn about the user's interests and to customize the discussion, which can begin with generic responses and progress to more detailed and tailored responses. The chatbot was originally designed in the fashion of a messenger. with both the user and bot typing messages back and forth. The company has now included a voice recognition feature which allows it to call you or vice versa. It adapts to imitate the speaking style of its users. The goal is to create a mindful app where users may talk to the bot about their feelings in a confidential manner. Swiftkey Keyboard. Microsoft has developed an artificial intelligence typing assistant with the goal of allowing users to type less, do more. It's smart enough to fix your punctuation and grammar. It also has many options that allow you to modify the color, font style, theme, and design, as well as support for external emojis. Custom and multilingual keyboard settings are some of the advanced features. Swipe to type, touch to type, predictive emoji, and a GIF keyboard are all options for users. Moreover, features such as prediction and autocorrect eventually make typing simple and quick. The AI-assisted autocorrections and prediction tools can help you get the most out of your typing efficiency to a great extent. Support for over 300 languages should be enough to make it a truly fantastic choice. So what's the bottom line? Artificial intelligence apps are an inevitable consequence of the direction in which AI voice recognition and response capabilities have evolved. Based on the phenomenal applications reviewed above, it's evident that this evolution has barely started. And since these are the most productive and time-saving AI Android apps currently available, we can simply leave it to the imagination to know just what's in store next. With the advancements in technology, artificial intelligence is leading in a wide variety of fields. AI-based apps are expected to dominate the market in the future, which has sparked users' interest tremendously. So if you're sitting on the thought of starting a business using a mobile app, AI may be just the way to go.